Hi, I'm Nimz from George Fisher Piping Systems, Market Segment Manager for Cooling. So very excited to be here at ARBS after 4 years in Melbourne. We're doing some good hands-on demonstrations here at ARBS. So getting apprentices, consultants, contractors really engaged and getting to know about what pre-insulated piping systems is and also do electrofusion welding. So what you see behind me is a working module of our CoolFit 4 system. So this is a fully pre-insulated piping system and it's a complete system. So you've got pipe, you've got installation tees where you can install gauges in there, you've got bore valves, you've got all bracketing, and it also shows plastics comparatively to copper and stainless steel options. So this is a working module with a chiller running at -4 degrees. Uninsulated, you can see metal condensating here, and then obviously the pre-insulated piping system, there's no condensation. So the most suitable applications for this system is for chilled water, glycol, brine, and heating hot water applications. So the real question is, why would you use pre-insulated piping system instead of copper or stainless steel? Of course, as a 3-in-1 system, you've got the carrier pipe, insulation, and HTP robust outer jacket, which means that you don't have to lag the pipe, and you don't have to do any steel or metal cladding over the top. So you do save on-site labor savings, as well as it's a robust outer jacket, so anyone on site who's stepping on it, there's no breakage of insulation. You don't have to go back to site and replace any of that insulation. So there's basically no ongoing maintenance cost as well. And of course, with PE piping systems during production, it's got lower CO2 emissions than copper or stainless steel, and it's zero ODP for the environment, it's 100% recyclable, and we can also do an energy efficiency report and show how much of savings on electricity that you can have by using a pre-insulated piping systems in opposed to metal systems as well.